Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Chrome and navigating to the browser-accessible Minecraft option. Sign into your Google account so the session and preferences persist. This helps if you switch devices. Once done, pick Minecraft Classic for free browser play or the demo for more modern trial, and click play. You'll load a simple world quickly because the browser version streams lightweight assets. This reduces setup time and avoids installing large files on your device. Once the world loads, practice basic controls. Move with WASD and aim with the mouse, then left-click to break blocks and right-click to place them. Make sure to open settings and set mouse sensitivity, graphics quality, and keybinds so actions feel natural. This reduces fumbling during play. Next, choose Creative for unlimited resources and Flight if you want building focus, or Survival to gather materials and manage health. Each mode changes objectives and how you approach the world. To finish a session, save or export your map and take a screenshot of builds for sharing. These steps prevent losing progress. If you experience lag, lower render distance and graphics settings and close extra tabs to free memory. This often restores smooth gameplay. If the browser version fails to load or crashes, re-log into Google, clear cache, or consider installing the desktop/mobile Minecraft app from your platform. These options resolve most persistent issues and give better performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.